Good morning, guys. I've been having so much fun with you guys on the charts this morning. Congratulations. I want to start with that, guys. We ended up winning our 46 for 46 trade yesterday. We ended up actually taking the profit 9.18% on, this was Matic yesterday, and then I also ended up calling a trade exit for 45 for 45 wins, and that was on Bitcoin, and both of these trades got triggered in within the last 48 hours. So great job, guys. I will show you guys how to be setting that up and take advantage of that before the video is over. Actually, I'll do it real quick here so you guys can know this. Everything you guys are going to see today is going to be revolving around the membership over here. It's $49 a month where I call out all my trades. You get access to all the metrics we will be going over today, as well as the live trades. Once you guys sign up here, go to the live trade section, and you guys are going to click on any of these coins. Today, we're obviously going over SOL, Solana. What you guys are going to see is a trade setup that looks exactly like this. Right now on SOL, you guys are going to be able to see 4 yellow lines below the current price. If you have $1,000, put 25% into each of these buy limits. Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to then come and set your sell limit up. Here's exactly how you trade this. If you have questions, email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. Once you simply just have your buy limit set up, come over here to the Telegram channel. It'll open up a link, and you guys will automatically be joined into this channel where I'm calling exits and showing you guys my predictions of the market. My last thing I got to say, guys, is we're going to be going over the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow and how ridiculously accurate it is. And this is your last chance to get the trend exhaustion, your last day as well, to get the trend exhaustion before I up the price. That's in the description over here at indicators. You guys can get that right here. I do suggest you guys get the bundle pack. I'm not going to be upping the price of it this month, so you guys get all of our indicators super cheap. I will be upping the price of the trend exhaustion literally within hours tomorrow, and then I'm going to be upping the price for well money flow next month. Okay, now turn this into a sales video. You guys need to know this because this is how we are winning these trades, and we have not lost a trade yet. So get what you need, follow me on this channel, and let's get into some trading. Okay, give me guys a second. I'm going to take off my sweater because I'm literally dying right now, and I need some cooler air. All right, guys, let's get into this. So let's look at SOL. Right now, what we're seeing is basically a consolidation pattern. Sorry, let me put my glasses back on here. We're seeing a consolidation pattern here that I've been watching over the last few days. This has actually fared quite well compared to other currencies who are whipsawing around in here, seeing these crazy percentage moves like 10% up, 12% up, 10% down. Solana, however, is just kind of holding steady here. Everybody who's in this trade with us, you guys, this is literally where we're at right now. We are doing so good in this. We ended up exiting 50%. Okay, we have 3 buy limits hit. So you guys are only down about like 2.5% because we've already exited 50%, which would put this at a negative 4%, if you guys are following me there. And then we are this far away from our current entry, and we only have 75% in this trade. I do believe that we can get to see this push up here pretty nicely if we start seeing this bull market take place. Letting you guys know, watch it. Actually, let me just show this real quick. Ethereum, I'm watching very closely right now. Long trades are drastically decreasing out of Ethereum. Excuse me, short trades are decreasing and long trades are increasing. This is a bullish sign that the crypto market could be moving back up here soon, okay? I'm going to cover this on Sol today too because some of the same things are happening. Here's what I want you guys to watch here. The trend exhaustion, when we get to the top red section, guys, this is the best indicator to call tops and bottoms. I just want to be confident about saying that now. I've done hours and hours, and after all these ridiculous testimonials of you guys bringing us in, I do believe we have the best indicator here to call the tops and bottoms. So we got to the top here, we immediately saw a drop. Got to the bottom, we saw the drop. If you guys are coming in here, and I'll take this out of the way real quick, watch this. Right when we got to the bottom red section, this called the bottom before we move back up. Okay, this right here, top red section, exactly calling the top consolidation zone before we move back down. Guys, this indicator is making people thousands of dollars a week. Just this one alone. This one in the price versus the well money flow is insanely accurate. Watch this. Top red section move. We did not FOMO into this up here. We waited and we were patient for our buy limits to get hit, and we started taking entries down here. You guys, if you watch the past videos, you can see that. This is how we've been winning these trades. This was not time to FOMO in. Yes, we were able to call the drop up here when the trend exhaustion was at the top here, as well as the well money flow at the top. This was saying, hey guys, you should not be entering into this market. It is going down. And then further confirmation for you guys, watch this. If you ever get a high and a higher high formation on your guys' charts, and clearly the money flow is going straight out of the market and straight down the toilet here, you guys should not be going into long trades. Look at how many people FOMO'd into this green candle right here, and they lost all their shorts on that. Well, not literally shorts, but they actual probably little shorts. Like they're holding forever. And guys, this is not what smart money is doing. This is honestly, I'm not trying to be derogatory. This is what's called dumb money. Dumb money buys at high prices. They buy when the market's going up. Guys, we never buy when the market's going up. We always buy on discount. How can I prove that to you? Because we always use buy limits. Buy limits cannot be executed unless the price goes down below a current price of a market order. Okay, buy limits are always below current price until they get hit, and then it triggers as basically a market order, very close to that, okay? The point of this is these indicators are literally calling the top moves before they move back down. If this, we saw this move down here. This is divergence. If you guys ever see this trade setup, get these on your charts, guys. Use this on cryptos, stocks, and Forex. It doesn't matter. It's literally I coded this in here to pull the exchange on-chain metrics from what you guys are using for your ticker and your exchange. If you guys see money flowing out of the market, and the price moves up, you need to get out of that coin, that token, that cryptocurrency immediately because it's not going to keep heading up. It's going to head down, guys, okay? So, again, let me prove this over here. Top red section, green price money flow moving up here. We saw the drop in the market. We saw this move up in the top red section. We see this drop in the market. Top red section, we saw the drop happen right here. Top red section again, we saw this move up and then we got a drop in the market. What's happening over here? Well, we ended up pushing into this bottom red zone right here and we saw this move back up and we were getting very close to this top section and guess what's happening? We're actually seeing a little bit of a move down. All right, follow me here through the metrics because this is going to give us a better idea of where we're going to be heading for Solana, okay? These metrics are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every single day. It's part of you guys' membership that you get for $49 a month. If you guys don't think that's worth it, just watch the testimonials over here. It is insane. $1,000 in the last 7 days. This is within a week, guys. $5,000 here. 24 hours, he did $1,280. $1,100 here. Insane. $7,000. You could just keep going down. Guy made $60,000 in here. This guy was the best comment. Tired of missing out. Got subscribed. Got your metrics. Boom. Cool. That's awesome. You guys are doing fantastic. Let's go over Sol. The emotional index right now is pushing us into the anxious section, okay? This is not, in my opinion, the place to be selling into the market. It is the place to be acquiring long trades. Come down here with me. Look at the on-chain metrics here of actual trades being placed on the blockchain for SOL. What do you guys clearly see here? You see three things, and you guys need to understand how to interpret this, so listen very carefully. You see three things. 1, price action is heading down. 2, long trades are moving up. 3, short trades are moving out of the market. Guys, if wells and institutions were confident about this going down further, they would not be taking their short trades out of the market. They would be increasing their short trades just like they did back here before the price dropped. This is why, from an on-chain metric perspective, literal transactions going through on the blockchain, guys, crypto is looking more bullish than bearish. Okay, this isn't like some fairy tale thing where I pull out like this, some crazy patterns or something, or I'm just like making my own hypothesis. This is actual transactions on the blockchain happening right now where long trades are increasing. I showed you Ethereum. Let me show you this again. Short trades are drastically decreasing and long trades are increasing. Why are short trades decreasing? Because there's not confidence that this is going to keep going down. If it did, there would be more short trades and it would go down, okay? Hear me clear, guys. I'm not saying that this cannot go down further. That's arrogant, so I'm not trying to say that. This can move back down. I'll give you guys a target. But overall, if we're just simply looking at the metrics here, on-chain metrics, they're showing that they're increasing. Watch this down here. Wells and institutions are also increasing their long trades in here, which is exactly what we're doing, and we're winning trades. Okay, guys, I know these metrics are amazing, but we're like putting our money where our mouth is. I'm trading with over $10,000 of my own money. I'm trading with you guys, and we're 46 for 46 wins. I'm using all these metrics, and we are having a super fun time over here, having a blast. Okay, I'll get there in a second. Long over short trades, currently sitting in neutral. What's my call today, guys? Do not market order into anything today. Come over here, get your subscription, and set up your buy limit for Solana, okay? Click in here. Remember those 4 yellow lines I showed you guys? The first one is pretty close to the current price, so make sure you guys are setting that up. Okay, let's move down here, and I want to touch on this real quick. Well, institutional and smart money. This metric here is showing you guys what smart money is doing. I promise you. Here's how I can promise you, is because we have a ridiculous amount of wealthy traders in here. I didn't fully expect for us to have such wealthy traders trading our strategy, but because that I've been able to prove to you guys, we actually literally are, with evidence, 46 for 46 wins, and we're not taking like 0.5% wins, 1%, 2% wins. These are like 9% wins, 5% exits. You guys can come up here and take a look at these other ones that I've actually called. I do think we actually moved the full market on ADA for Coinbase. I'm pretty confident about that from what I've seen. So 7.95%. These other trades in here that we've been calling, this was a smaller one, 3.01, but guys, these metrics are holding true, and I'm telling you guys, when you guys are anxious as a retail trader group, the wells and institutions are going to come in here and they're going to buy your fear. Understand this. When you guys are anxious, you are selling. What are you doing? You're creating the liquidity in the market for institutions and wells to place their large, long transactions. They cannot place their $1 million transactions in here or their $1 billion transactions for buying unless there's somebody selling. That is why this is called an exchange, okay? If you guys understand that, you will then watch this and be like, oh my gosh, this actually makes sense. When everyone is anxious in the market and the price is going down, wells are accumulating to make all of their money back in the market. When everyone's getting really excited, everything's going to the moon and they think we're just going to keep going, what's smart money secretly doing in maybe closed doors or wherever, or maybe sitting in their living room or in their office, like you guys are trading with me? We are looking and we are being patient and we're picking up trades at low prices and we're winning our trades, okay? These metrics in here and our setups are doing very well for a lot of people. Let's just say that. Okay, where are we going to go if Solana moves back down? I believe we're going to hit probably around this 115 section. Let's take a look at $115. That is right down here and is correlated very close to the structure low where the wick value came out. Okay, now these are obviously not the buy limits. These are the buy limits our current traders are in. You guys have an extremely favorable buy position for your first buy limit that is somewhere around this position that I want you guys to check out and get into this trade. Okay. We've hit our third buy limit. Those of you guys who get in haven't even hit your first buy limit yet, and there's still 3 below this. You have a huge chance. I say this confidently. I have a hard time thinking that you guys are going to lose the long trade on Solana if you guys just get in right now. You will most likely win the long trade because the break even is the break even entries are so nice as you go down and if you hit more buy limits. And guys, get that long trade set up for Solana. I just want to point that out. Definitely do it, okay? If we move up here, I do expect to see the biggest stall around 170 and around the psychological level of $200. So taking a look at that, it basically puts us up to this structure here. It also puts us into the structure high. Now, watch this. Trend exhaustion, if it starts pushing up to the top red section again and we see the money flow pushing to the top section, I am going to be looking to take some exits here because that will officially put us into the profit for SOL, because this is our break-even entry price at 150.11. I'll be looking to take some profit, and I would actually expect to see a little bit move back down in Solana. It's held true every single time before that we can see on this chart right here, okay? It's very rare that I say 100% of the time, but because I was able to show you guys all of that, like you guys might be even looking at this over here. Like I know I don't even show the chart, but let's just see what happened over here when this happened. Right here when it got up in the top red section, we ended up seeing the move back down, okay? Like this is the one I was talking about right here. I didn't even see it on the chart, but it's like, yes, I don't need to be looking at price action. It moved back down. We can see this here. It moved back down here as well, okay? We even see this over here calling a small move back down in the beginning cycles of this cryptocurrency. It is insane how accurate these two indicators are, and I'm upping the price of this, and this is your last day to get this, so make sure you get that in the description. Let's finish up here, guys, and we'll close here. Solana. This is basically for holders. If you guys want to throw $1,000 in the market every time you get a green line and hold for 5 to 10 years, awesome. You guys are probably going to do very, very well. This is what you guys can do. It's very simple trading. Will you get at the bottoms every single time? No, not every single time, but this is calling the bottoms very well, and this is for those of you guys who want to hold. Now, exit points. This has been one of the most ridiculous metrics in here to call the tops before the move back down. So, as this called the top here, there was no long trades that should have been taken, guys. This should have been where you guys are looking to short. Now, full transparency, guys, I actually added Solana after this was coming out. The point of saying this is next time we see this move up here for price structure and we get this red line coming out, you need to be watching for this possible move back down, okay? Let me set you guys up with everything. Come over here, get your $49 a month membership, Check out the profits if you want. It will just prove to you guys it's the cheapest, most ridiculous thing you guys will ever do for making profit. Get this membership, set up your long trades over here with all of your buy limits for any of these coins. I suggest Cardano, Dogecoin, and Ethereum, and actually VeChain are my top picks. I know I'm doing Solana. I'm being honest with you guys. I have more confidence that VeChain, Cardano, Dogecoin, and Ethereum are going to do better than Solana because Solana is still in the beginning stages, I believe, and it could see a little bit more of a move down. Although, if you guys set up our buy limits, I do think you're going to be safe, and I do think you will win this trade. I'm just saying I believe there's a little bit more favor on Ethereum, ADA, Dogecoin, as well as VET. Okay, I just want to make that clear. Get your subscription, get your entries in. Once you do that, click Telegram down here and it will open up a page for our paid subscribers. Click the link and you will automatically be added in over here where I update you guys literally on like an everyday basis. I take the weekends off, and even if on the weekends I see something, I will let you guys know. Then definitely get the indicators over here at minimum, guys. I understand if you don't want to get the bundle pack. Guys, honestly, it's super cheap compared to what everyone else is offering, but at least get the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. This is going up the last day you guys have. I'm upping the price of this tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I'm going to do videos tomorrow. I'm going to answer emails, and I'm going to up the price of this. Next month, I'm going to be upping the price versus the well money flow. So full transparency, there you guys go. This is the best deal, the bundle pack, so make sure you guys snag that. Get set up, get your long trade set up, follow me on Telegram, and I will be covering all of these coins if I see exits on Telegram. I want to make that clear. Some of you guys are like, Travis, are you only covering Ethereum and ADA that you are in? No, absolutely not, guys. Like, obviously, I just called the trade exit on Matic over here. There's been other trade calls I made in here for other coins, so if I see anything in these top coins that I need to let you guys know about, I will update you on all of them. Okay, so you guys are getting some crazy deals over here. Last day to snag those indicators before they go up, guys. God bless you so much. Get everything set up, get your membership, get your indicators. Come follow me, and let's see if we can hit 50 for 50 trades in the month of October. God bless you guys. We'll see you later. Everything's in the description. Let's start making some money. See you guys.